In front of me is Huawei MatePad 11.5 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening App Gallery and installing your new defaults. When you finish, hit Settings. Then you need to scroll down and tap on Apps and Services. Now click on Default Apps under Permission Manager and select one of those options, or click on More and manage one of those. I want to change my browser, so in this case I need to go back, tap on Browser app and tap on Chrome in order to apply it. So when I do that and hit Change in the pop-up, I can see that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!